girls, welcome back to Lisanna Does Things. On this episode, I am trying my Live Fabulously haul. I discovered them on Instagram a couple months ago and I love their clothing. They're to die for. I think of it like as a better quality Fashion Nova, but get this, the prices are way better. So let's go ahead and try on these clothes just so I can give you a quick glimpse of all the fabulous things that they offer, because again, they are Live Fabulously and I love them. So this is my second time ordering from them, but this time I wanted to try different things. I bought jeans for the first time, so let's see how that goes. Let's start off with this super cute plush sweater. It's pink and soft and reminds me a lot of cashmere. It's the Truth Be Told sweater that I got on clearance during their Labor Day sale, and they had a really big 30% off on their entire site, so I got a couple of other things. The ripped jeans are super high-waisted and they're stretchy and they make my butt look so good. They're called the Get Into It high-waisted jeans. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. I post weekly videos and the next week's video is a DIY project, so let's get crafty. This is a cute and soft black crop top. Super plush like the pink one, but in black and a little bit more sexy. I paired it with another pair of ripped jeans, the Hug Your Curve skinny jeans. I've worn both pair of jeans a few times now and they feel so great. It really shapes to your body and it feels like a second glove. This is the Essential Errand set in royal blue. It's thick and it's not see-through at all, so you can put this on and wear it anywhere. You can pull the crop top down if you want a complete coverage and you don't want to show any skin. I got the bodied velvet set in pink. The size is medium and I think I would fit a large comfortably. It's nice and velvety soft. It definitely hugs all of your curves and it makes me feel really flirty in it. I wanted to share their $15 leggings that they sell on their website. They're called the Keeping It Casual high-waist leggings. They're not see-through at all, and these are my second pair of leggings that I've got for them because I love them so much. They're so velvety soft and smooth, and they're made from really good quality. Here's my paper bag denim skirt. I threw it on with the denim bottom up and made it into a crop top. It's really adorable and I love the ruffles at the top, and the string belt is a cute touch that adds a lot of flirty look to it. I can't wait for their next sale because they have a ton of affordable looking outfits, and the best part is that it's really great quality material. So thank you, Live Fabulously. Can't wait to show you my next shopping haul. I think I look really cute with short hair. Like, what a trendy little bob. And having this on makes it look like so much cuter. Ooh, this might be good for the gram, sis. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Join the dog collection. All you gotta do is hit that red button down below. And I'll see you soon, my loves.